A warm welcome to everyone joining with Speakosphere. We all know that speaking skills are the most important and they play a vital role in our life. Everyone tells us that speaking skills play a huge role in our life and we should speak well. But no one tells us that how can you do that and how to turn your thoughts and ideas into words. So what? Your mind made you click the perfect slot to develop your speaking skills. Yes, you heard it right. That's mind. Mind controls that whatever we do. Okay, then let us see that how mind controls our speaking. So let us learn something new, that how does your brain control your speaking. Speech is primarily controlled by cerebrum. Your speech is typically governed by the left side of the cerebrum. Interestingly, for left-handed people, speech is controlled by the right part of the cerebrum. And there is one more important part of brain, that is the Broca's area. It plays the main role in turning your ideas and thoughts into actual spoken words. Before that, we have Wernicke's area, which understands and processes the speech. Let me tell you, friends, speaking is so simple. It's as simple as just having a cup of tea. But be careful, your tongue may take too hot tea and hurt your art of tasting. Similarly, we should have a control over our tongue while speaking. But how? Yeah, I got that for you. It is controlled by cerebellum of our brain. So come on friends, let's sharpen our Broca's area and control your cerebellum with Speakosphere. What is the main agenda behind learning proper speaking skills? So let us have a glance over the benefits of good speaking skills. It helps you make new social connections to be interactive in the society. It helps you in your career advancement, boost your confidence and personal development. And there are many aspirants who want to be in a higher position, and for them speaking skills is the most important. And there are a huge number of aspirants who want to go abroad and settle there or work there. So for them, English speaking skills is mandatory, and to get admission into higher institutes, these play a vital role. And last, to settle and to be financially well settled, you need to have good communication skills throughout. Friends, if you are an Indian, first of all, feel proud to be an Indian. You'll know this soon. Let's move on to some analytics. Friends, in our whole sphere, we have 7.5 billion population, and out of that, 1.5 billion speak English. That is almost 20% of the population. And as Indians, you're lucky. It's not even having a cup of tea. Rather, it's as simple as just having a glass of water. You know why? Our country, India, stood to be the second largest English speaking country. Let me tell you, friends, it's 10% of its population. So once hit your shoulders saying shabash that you are an Indian. So here is the ultimate change found to move and excel in good speaking skills. Hope this doesn't loiter. Oops, we got a new word, loiter. It means waste time. Hope this doesn't waste time. Got it. Isn't it interesting? So just spend 0.3% of your time a day, that is 5 minutes of 24 hours, and rock your speaking.